Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd just do a quick video on all the parts I've managed to accumulate to build the 26-inch frame that I'm planning on building. One thing I can say is that trying to get parts for 26 inch is not the easiest, as in a fork with a straight steerer wasn't easy finding that. And wheels were also not an easy thing to go and find. Seems like not many people are making parts for these things anymore. But yeah, I've managed to find most of the stuff, and I will just show you quickly all the stuff I've managed to get. So these here are the rims I've managed to get. Obviously I've had to go second hand. Just trying to find new ones is virtually impossible. These are DT Swiss 420 rims. The hubs I think are different. It's got a DT Swiss rear hub, and then I think the front hub is a specialized hub. But these are, I'm going to strip these down and rebuild them, just to try and make them look new again. And then over here, this is a fork that I managed to source. As said in the beginning, trying to find a 26-inch fork with a straight steerer is like hen's teeth. They are not easily available, and when they do become available, they seem to get sold very quickly. And I was very lucky to find this one. This is a RockShox Reba RLT. Comes with the remote lockouts. It's got the dual air. Everybody I've spoken to have said it's a really nice fork. So yeah, we'll see. I might rebuild it before putting it back onto the bike, or putting it onto the bike. And then over here I've gone for Choyong tires. Once again, 26-inch tires are not easy to find, so these are the ones I've managed to find, at least two with the same tread pattern, same size. And yeah, we'll try these out. I haven't used them before on any of my other bikes. I've got maxis on both my other bikes, so yeah, we'll see what these are like. So these are 26 by 2.25. It's the double hammer. From what I'm told, they are decent tires. They are tubeless ready. So yeah, let's see how those are. And then once again, finding a headset for a straight steerer was not easy. I had guys at my local bike shop which really helped me out. So we basically took a tapered steerer, because obviously the top is the same size. And then he managed to find me a cup for the lower one, and then I had to just buy another bearing. So they basically managed to build me up a headset, which was really nice of them, because yeah, trying to find one out the box wasn't easy. And this is just the seat clamp, which I'll probably recondition. This came on the frame. And then these are actually old Shimano Dior disc brakes, which I found in my bicycling box. So yeah, there's nothing. I mean, they're just basic Shimano disc brakes. Probably will replace the pads. The one pipe has got a bit of a kink in, so I'll probably have to replace it as well. See over there. Got a kink in there. And then I was lucky I managed to find a pair of Avid discs, which I will use. So thank goodness the wheels have also got the screw holes instead of the splines like Shimano uses. And then these are just headset spacers, top cap, grips. I'm going to be using the DMR death grips. Really like the color of these. The Miami, pink and blue. Really awesome color. See what they like once they're on the bike. And then I'm also going to be using DMR pedals. It's just nylon pedals. Nothing special. As I said, this is kind of going to be a budget build. So as you can see, a lot of the stuff I haven't gone, balls to the wall and spent a whole lot of money on stuff like brakes I'm reusing. Tires, I mean, I could have got more expensive tires, but I thought I'll try those as a reasonable price. Shock, yeah, that I couldn't find anywhere else. Wheels, couldn't find anywhere else. Let me show you what else we've got. And then Shimano bottom bracket. We're going to go 11 speed, so I've decided to go for the SLX. We're going to go 111. It's just the SLX color core. And got SLX rear derailleur. SLX shifter. And then the cassette. And then over here I've got the remote lockout for the RockShox. And then stem, I'm going to go with decided to go with the Rapide. Really decent value for money. This is, I think this is a 50mm. And then going with the handlebars as well. 780 high rise handlebars, which I've been riding on my other bike, on my Merida. Saddle, just going to use the Rapide saddle, and same with the seat post. So yeah, all the Rapide stuff was actually nice. It all came as a kit. Obviously if you buy everything together, you get a slightly better price. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything we're going to be putting onto this bike. I mean, there's a few little things which, yeah, I'm starting to realize that building a bike is not as easy as just buying a few bits. You start realizing that you need screws and bits and pieces and all the little things that kind of just put it all together at the end. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. If you guys enjoyed this, please go give it a like, comment anything you want to know. Please share the video and subscribe, and yeah, give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.